Hey, bro.
Hey, what up, world? November 27th, you know, coming to you guys from a nice restaurant here. And the name of this restaurant is called
Cool Runnings.
Cool Runnings. Relocated here, Houston, Texas. You know, and this is another weed and segment, Houston style.
Got the cocoa bread, man.
As you see, eating on some oxtails.
Oxtails.
Check that out, baby.
Real
Good old
oxtails.
Caribbean food here.
They would not. We're trying to convince them to come to Austin, man. That's the cocoa bread right there, baby.
Something like this in Austin.
For real, we trying to convince them.
Yeah, it's fancy Austin.
And here's the reason for the season. It's the mommy of the baby. Say hi, mommy. It's Queen Baby's mommy. Queen Mommy. She's so beautiful. And here's Michael. Let me get back so I can get a piece of Michael. You can see that Michael frequents this place very often. He's not a lightweight, people. He knows people.
We're like,
It'll work out, man.
we just can't see it.
Billions of people will come.
We just cannot see it. But thank you.
What do you have to say about the food here, sir?
The food is excellent.
Food
That's
excellent.
why we're here.
That's why we're here.
That's why we're here. Comes time to eat Jamaican food. This is where we go.
When you come to Houston, this is where you come
This
first.
is where I come first.
And what's your name, ma'am?
Janae,
The lovely Janae.
thank you.
I got some real patties from her. I got a whole box, man. It was only $200. It was a steal. And all proceeds go to help support this wonderful business that's supporting us. And what's the location?
We're at 8270 West Belford, between Plantains and Gessner and Houston.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's a dining here.
Ah.
This is the other part of the Cool Running restaurant. See, look at this. Look at all this space where you can invite like 80 of your friends out to
Parties.
be here.
Throw your parties here.
Yeah.
We got
Throw your business meetings.
Look at that. They got the big flat screen TV.
You got
Beautiful.
a screen for the entertainment. You got a dance room to move around. You got a bar back here. You got for the people like that occasional drink.
Yeah.
It's very roomy. You feel like at home in here almost. And you can see all the decorations. You see, you got the flags right here, man. The Rasta flag, the Jamaican flag.
Rastafarian flag, Jamaican flag.
You got the great legend here on the wall. Boy Marley, always have to show respect to the man.
Yeah.
And this is
It's every day, man. It's where the people dine. We see black people, we don't really have the right restaurant, so we're doing this right here. Cool Runnings, #1 in town. Jamaica, love it up. #1, man.
Yes, sir. What's your name, sir?
Lloyd.
Lloyd.
Straight up Lloyd from Jamaica.
Yeah.
Yeah.
already.
Already.